In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change desktop background on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change desktop background on Windows 11 computer, right click on empty area on desktop and click on Personalize and then click on background. You can change your desktop background from here. You will find some recent images. I am changing my desktop background to Windows background and minimize setting. Look, the desktop background has been changed. If you want to use your customized image for desktop background, click on browse photos here and then select the image. Click on choose photos and look, the image has been changed. Minimize setting. Look, the desktop background image has been changed in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.